you and the other one won't. So make sure you get on the bus that has your luggage.
The things that I have packed are, I have DEET, because I can imagine there are going to be a lot of mosquitoes. I have fruit bars, I have water purification kits, I have utensils that I can use over and over again.
And why are you doing this particularly? Because it seems more like a job for a 25-year-old.
and basically it is, but I like to think of myself as a humanitarian, and these people are my neighbors. The whole world has become my neighbor because the world is actually shrunk. So what I do for the people that are in the Virgin Islands, what I do for the people who are in Texas, they will do the same thing for me. And it's really evident because of the people that I've met here today. There are people from Hawaii, there are people from Iowa, there are people from Ohio, there are other people from North Carolina. So if you can see that, if you think about that, all of us are neighbors, and they would do the same thing for me, and they did, because we had a storm in Greenville, North Carolina last year, and I met some of the very same people here that I met when I was in Greenville.
Do you find it satisfying to do this kind of volunteer work?
Yes, and it's some things are so simple that you don't think about it. Sometimes I do shelter. I had a 3-year-old kid that was in a shelter. He's a kid that had never slept without his little blanket. Now, I could control him, I could console him much more than his parent because I'm an outsider. Sit on the couch beside him, get him smiling, give him another little toy, and then he's okay. Or the 80-year-old lady lost her husband 3 months ago. She has been sleeping with her husband picture every night since her husband died. She's sitting on the cot and she's crying. So if I can go over and provide some type of comfort to that particular person, then that's what I do. And that's the mission of the Red Cross. That's what we do. We provide comfort more than anything else. But we do provide food also. But the idea is that we have to comfort the people that are in some type of trauma.
Thank you very much.
Ready flex. Ready flex. Just save me a seat.